Our target sound is B, as in bat. The key sentence is, Mr. Rabbit will buy a bat and a ball. Mr. Rabbit will buy a bat and a ball. Do you see the ways that we can spell B here? B, ball, B, rabbit, B, buy. The spelling for B in buy is just exactly the same as we spell it in build, buoy. Here are the 3 most common spellings of B. B, 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 bad. 99% of the time. So the vast majority of the time, this is how you will spell the sound B. Build, pebble, butter, bingo, bear, buy, butterfly, bracelet, bell, building, bubble. Now let's take apart a couple words and really focus on that B sound. Baby, B, A, B, E, baby. Bubble, B, A, B, L, bubble. Brother, B, R, A, Z, brother. Okay, now it's your turn. Go find some B words. Have a great day.